In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to solve for density and density ratio. The following is the equation for density, as rho is equal to P over R times T, where rho is the density, P is the pressure, R is the universal gas constant, and the value of R is 1716.16, and it does not have any units. And T is the temperature in absolute units. So in this case, we're going to use, we could use temperature in degrees or in Fahrenheit. In aviation, in the meters, we get the temperature in degrees. Here in the US, we're used to Fahrenheit, so we might use either one. If the temperature was given in degrees Celsius, then you're going to convert to absolute temperature, and that's going to be Kelvin. So the formula is 273.16 plus the temperature in Celsius to convert to absolute temperature. Some constants that we're going to be using are P0 is standard temperature is 2116.2 psf. Rho 0 standard density is 0.002377 slugs per feet cube, and temperature 0 is going to be 518.67 Rankine. That's if we get the temperature in Fahrenheit, that we convert it to Rankine. If we, so that's if we have temperature in Fahrenheit, in degrees Fahrenheit, if temperature is in degrees Fahrenheit, or T0 is 288.16 Kelvin if temperature was given in degrees centigrade. For these examples, right now in this course, we're going to be using this because I'm going to give you the temperature in Fahrenheit. But in aviation, sometimes you're going to have the temperature in degrees Celsius, so you have to convert to absolute temperature to Kelvin. So now the formula for density is going to be, density again, as I stated before, is pressure over R times T, as we stated up here initially. The units for density, the English units for density, are going to be slug per feet cube. You've probably not heard of a slug very frequently. It's kind of a weird unit. Is a combined unit. One slug is a pound force times second square over foot. A slug is a unit of mass. So now I'm going to show you how to do an example here. Given the following, temperature equals 78 degrees Fahrenheit and pressure equals 2010 psfs. Find density and density ratio. We know that density ratio is the density at the altitude that we're flying divided by the density at sea level, rho zero. So we have to find the density first. So we're going to apply our formula. Is P over R times T. We need to remember that to convert temperature to absolute. So rho equals P, so it's 2010 psf divided by R,